Hello everyone, I'm Eugene. We learned about Buddhist temples in Korea last week. Actually, I'm learning about various technologies in my general elective class. Along the way, I noticed some interesting facts about traditional Korean construction technologies. Among all, I want to talk about the most common form used worldwide today, Ondol. So my topic today is about the traditional flow heating system, Ondol. Let's start with the definition of Ondol. It is known as flow heating system or hot water system. Frank Lloyd Wright made a hot water system in the United States. In fact, he was inspired by Ondol when he visited Korea. And the first system that was ever discovered was 6000 BC. As a matter of fact, people in other countries also use this system, but Korea has been using Ondol consistently, so I think we have a chance to develop. Additionally, it is an economical heating form, because Ondol system was used for two things, heating and cooking. And now I brought an image or kind of animation of Ondol system to help explain this principle. I hope this will help to understand. A fireplace here is placed outside the house, and when a fire is lit, the heat is carried under the house to warm the room. The important thing is cavity structures here, called it 계자리 in Korean, inside here. This prevents hot air which is going out through the chimney too quickly. Then the heat stays confined in the cavity and runs up through the chimney and into the air. Much more important, our ancestors used Venturi effect to gain momentum. So I asked my professor to make sure we understand what happened. The Venturi effect is an increase in wind speed that results when a fluid flows through a constricted section of pipe. When you stand near the giant structures, you may notice that the wind blowing around you is feeling faster and stronger than elsewhere. That kind of situation can be a case of the Venturi effect. To better understand this effect, please have a look at this animation. Without this effect, the hot air and the smoke will leak out. And there are many advantages of having an Ondol system. In an experiment, it is a medically proven way of improving our health, keeping our feet warm and head cool. And the risk of fire is minimal, because there are no direct fire compared to the fireplace. So there is no dust or ash in the room. As I mentioned before, Ondol costs less than other systems. But it has its bad points too. It is difficult to control the temperature. Of course, nowadays the Ondol is equipped with modernized facilities so we can control with dials. And the room can be dry, and also the track prevention of Ondol is important. Lastly, I think there is a connection between Korean lifestyle and Ondol. We usually walk around the house in the barefoot without our outdoor shoes. Even there is a big comfy couch in the living room, but Koreans usually sit on the floor because of warm blower. So this is the end of my presentation. I wanted to explain more, but it is difficult to translate them in English. Anyway, thank you for listening and have a great day.